What's up everyone, it's Dennis here and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be checking out SB19. Now this is a special request. This is from Maria Corazon Ternura. Hopefully I got that right. Almost all of them dance to Marikit Dance Challenge. Check this out. Link here. Marikit is a deep native Filipino word other than maganda. And you're right, been learning a lot more deep Filipino words, and Marikit is Marikit. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Marikit is something that's new to me, and it means beautiful, okay? I'd rather say maganda rather than Marikit. Again, I'll put the original link down in the description below so you can check it out. But anyways, let's get started and watch this now. Okay? Yeah, I've reacted to this one, to the Ken Dance Challenge of Marikit song. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link them down below. So I've seen this before. It's pretty good. I like Ken. Ken's my bias. Ken's your bias. Smash that like button and comment down below. But yeah, I'm not gonna do this Marikit Dance Challenge. I know some of you guys have requested for me to do it. Nah, I'm not gonna happen. Okay. Alright, Josh did it as well. Cool. Not bad. This is my first time watching Josh do it. I think this is his own version of the song. Oh no. Yeah, not bad. They actually nailed it. Sorry, this is not his own version. This is the actual version. Look at his hair, man. They're all growing their hair long. Good job, Josh. Not bad. I still think Kent's the best one though, but you know, equally, he's not bad. What he's done there. Alright, still. Look at his hair, man. So fluffy. Okay, he's done this in TikTok. Not bad, it's good. You can see each one of them is talented and they can really dance, alright? So kudos to Stel for doing this on TikTok. Okay, Sejun. Can't believe he's doing this in TikTok as well. Okay. Why is he wearing a mask? Why is he wearing a paper bag mask? They're using a couple of transitions in there. And yeah, it's alright. Not the best. I still think Ken and Josh did really well. Stel did really well too. Still not bad though for Pinuno. Alright, comment down below which one is your favorite. Ken, Josh, Stel, Sejun, or Justin? Yeah, he's like, nah, I'm giving up. Don't want to do this anymore. There you go. Alright, Justin. Justin's really good. I've seen some of his TikTok videos, so I haven't seen this one, but I'm guessing it's gonna be another good one from him. Oh, I don't think he's actually dancing. What? Okay. Oh, he doesn't want to do it. What's going on? And I can see all the sad face from this video, so nah, he doesn't want to do it. He's doing that one. Okay, it's a troll pose. Stel puts a lot of effort. Ken, I'd say, has done it really well. Josh as well. Sejun puts a lot of transitions and other sort of special effects, and Justin kind of like, yeah, I don't want to do this or do this. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. I'd say, look, Ken's still my favorite. followed by Josh and Stell, Cedric, and obviously Justin, the last one. Alright, this one's for you, Maria. Thank you for watching and commenting to one of my SB19 reaction videos, and cheers to you for recommending for me to check out this video of SB19 Marikit compilation video. Again, I will put the original video down below, do check it out. Anyways guys, if you want to check out more SB19 reaction videos, it will be here. Or if you want to check out some of my Filipino music artist reaction videos, it will be here. Or if you have any special requests, feel free to comment down below. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for dropping by and hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a like. I really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. Cool, I'll see you in the next one. Paalam!